Hey guys, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Facebook with the latest update. Facebook has always been changing settings due to upgrades, but I'm going to teach you the newest update for 2023. First, open your Facebook and make sure that your account is logged in. Through your screen, you're going to click on the menu icon at the bottom right area and tap on the settings gear. There, you will see password and security. You will be directed in the overall data for your Facebook account, and you will also see change password. Click change password, and you can now start changing your password just like you would normally do. Type the current password, new password, and retype the new password for security and assurance. It's simple as that. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment it down below and we will help you.